Hello, my name is Elliot Weinberg, and this is my function generator oscilloscope final project for engineering programming. In the function generator, you have the ability to generate signal types of square, triangular, sawtooth, sine, and DC. You may also add uniform or Gaussian noise. It's Gaussian and uniform. So over here it gives you peak values, the minimum values, and the mean values. You also have the ability to offset this graph, and you may write to a file here. In the oscilloscope, the ability to turn the trigger on, turn the trigger off, change the position of the graph, reset it. You have these cursors which allow you to manually measure the amplitude. Right here, you can change the volts per division and the milliseconds per division. Gives you peak value, peak to peak, RMS. You can save the image of that graph. You can save a file of the data to an Excel spreadsheet. And on the FFT, you can also save the image there. There's nothing quite visible, but give you a spectrum analysis right here. So save this image. You can zoom in, zoom out, move it around, and reset it. And turn it off. Thank you. This has been my final project.